So CodeWhisperer allows these, for example, vscode, pycharm, and intellj. It also supports number of languages like C++, Node.js, Python, and MySQL, and other as well. So you can use the CodeWhisperer. So basically, we just need to add a comment and start giving me the suggestion directly, right? Like merge list. Let's wait for a few seconds. Yeah, so if you guys notice, right, so it is start giving me suggestions for print as well. So basically, hi everyone, I'm Ankit. In this video I'm going to talk about CodeWhisperer, an AI powered coding companion that can help you to boost your coding productivity to 10x level. CodeWhisperer is a cloud based service that used machine learning to suggest code completion, linting, and other helpful hints as you write code. It can also help you to find and fix errors in your code. If you're a developer, then you know how frustrating it can be to spend hours on debugging your code. CodeWhisperer can help you to save time and improve your code quality by providing you real-time feedback as you write. In this video, I am going to show you how you can get started with CodeWhisperer, and I am also going to give you some really cool tips and tricks that can help you to improve your coding productivity. So whether you're a beginner or a seasoned developer, I encourage you to watch this video and learn how CodeWhisperer can help you to become a more productive coder. So let's get started with CodeWhisperer. Okay friends, so let's get started with CodeWhisperer. First, we'll go to the Google and type for CodeWhisperer. It will open a website. So CodeWhisperer is a tool of Amazon, so you can use the AWS account. If you already have any AWS accounts, so you can use those as well. And if you don't have any accounts, so you can create here and you can use those as well. So instead of going into the process of creating account, let's jump into the VS Code, how we can integrate it and how we can use it with our problem statements. So we'll go to the Visual Studio Code. Here we click on extensions. Okay, here we will type AWS toolkit. Yeah, okay, so this is the AWS toolkit. This we will use for CodeWhisperer. So we click on install, it get installed. Okay, so once it got installed, you're able to see here the AWS. Okay, we click on that. So as we just installed it, it's not connected with our account, so we'll do the connection. Then we click on connect to AWS. Okay, then we'll click on second option, CodeWhisperer AI powered coding suggestions. Then we click on sign up or sign in. If you're not sign up, right, so you can sign up from here as well. It give us a request access code. We'll copy and proceed. Then it will give a website link. We click on open. It will get open to our browser. Yep, here, and it will ask for the code. We'll paste it here. We click on next. Next step, it will ask for the email address. We put our email address, then we click on next, and then it will ask for password. We need to put our password and sign in. Once we put our password, it will give us a success message. Click on allow. It will allow the VS Code to access the AWS. Yep, here it is the success message. Okay, so we able to see our VS Code got the access of AWS toolkit. Let's go back to VS Code. Here also we got the message, our CodeWhisperer with AWS Builder ID is connected properly. So let's close this as well. Okay, so what I did, basically I bring some problem statements from the internet. Those are most commonly searched related to the Python. And before we get started with the problem statements, I would like to share more information related to the CodeWhisperer. So CodeWhisperer allows to connect it with number of IDs, for example, VS Code, PyCharm, and intellj. It also supports number of languages like C++, Node.js, Python, and MySQL, and other as well. So you can use the CodeWhisperer with this number of languages in this various combinations of IDE. Okay, started with the first program, p1.py. I just give the random name. Okay, so first problem statement is merge two lists into a dictionary. We will go to our Python file. We click, okay, we comment and type this. Then let's see what it will do for us. Oh, if you see, it start giving me the suggestion related to the problem statement. Print. Let's print what exactly the output we get from this, so we get to know. Okay, it gave me the suggestion as well for the problem statements. Done. Let's run this, start debugging. Correct, like if you see, it merged this two list of arrays into a dictionary. It created a dictionary here, so it's correct answer, right? Let's try the second problem statement. p2.py. So basically we just need to add a comment and oh, start giving me the suggestion directly, right? Like merge list. Let's wait for a few seconds. Yeah, we got the suggestion for this and print. Yeah, so if you guys notice, right, so it is start giving me suggestions for print as well. So basically it learns from whatever we are doing, that from that as well, right? So whatever problem statements we are trying and whatever things we try to solve, right? So in this way it keep learning what you try to do and what you are try to get as output, so it give you that extend outputs as well. So let's try sort a list of dictionaries. I'm just waiting for the suggestion. Sometime it takes a few seconds. This time if you notice, right, it gives suggestion with the comment, right? So we can remove this comment. It's very easy, right? There's no problem with it. Okay, we got the suggestions. Print. Then oh, if you see, this time it give me the whole sage. So basically what we tries to do in this, like we try to sort out our list of dictionary with a particular key. Here we are sorting out with the age. So in the output, if we run this problem statement and if we see, right, so it sorted it out, like the first age is 25, second is 27 and third is 30. So this is correct, right? Okay, let's try a few more problem statements. p4.py. Sort a list of string. Okay, this time it gave me suggestion very. Okay, correct. Print. Okay. This, like sometime I was just thinking about it and I think to type and start giving the suggestions, right? If you saw, if you notice that. So let's try p5. This is the last problem statement that we would like to try today. And you can try number of problem statements, or you can start using the CodeWhisperer and explore yourself. And please do comment here, like what's your personal experience related to that, how you feel after using it, how productive it is for you, and how exactly you can use it. Okay, this is done. Okay, yeah, so it done. Basically, like if you see, it will do a good job with respect to all the 5 problem statements. So friends, you learned something new today. So if you want to learn new things related to the AI and coding, please comment below and let me know what you would like to hear from me. So please keep like, share and subscribe to this channel for the more videos and keep watching us. Thank you. Bye bye.